I chose the porch because it was 68 degrees at 8 o'clock, and it's a pretty nice situation with your coffee. And so I started doing my research for my steel box, and I ended up talking with a lady from who is really super helpful, and they build these steel toolboxes. They have a fantastic reputation. Interested in talking to them about all of the stuff that I've learned. I've been using Grok AI to do massive amounts of research for me. In order to be able to torify the wood, I need an airtight chamber that I can hold shafts in while they are being heated and while combustion is being prevented by ensuring that there's no air in there to combust. I can use probably one of the toolboxes that they already make and do a few modifications to it myself. But I thought it might be interesting if I ask them about doing some of the modifications or maybe customizing this thing a little bit. One of the things that I did with character cues was every time I was at the developmenting stage of something, I mean, as soon as I was sure that the concept was going to work, I got the equipment to do the job right. That's why you see unique products, lathes and all. Pretty nice. Everything that touches a cue is the best that you can buy. You need it to be that way if you're going to try to produce something of quality. And so this box that I'm buying is going to have to be capable of having a lot of shafts put through it. It's going to have a lot of heat cycles. The bottom line is that each step of this process, the goal is not just for me to be able to make the most badass shaft that you can possibly pair with a character cue, but the objective is to make the best shaft that exists. Now I know this is ambitious, right? But we already know torrification changes the structure of the wood. We know that keel wood is made out of maple, hard maple. Hard maple is hard maple in its attributes. And if you look at other woods, they are different in their attributes. They're different in their modus of elasticity, their strength against withstanding bending, their density, their hardness, how much pressure they can withstand before denting. All of those factors matter when it comes to how stiff and light the tip is and how strong it is. I think that hard maple is the dominant species for shaft making because it has really good play properties, really good milling properties, and absolute abundance, absolute availability. And I think that's why it became a standard, along with the other market factors, I think. But that doesn't mean it's the best, and that doesn't mean that hard maple is going to produce the absolute best torrified wood for low deflection shaft building.
Torrefaction is a heat treatment process used in cue shaft building to enhance wood performance. By heating wood like black birch in a specialized steel chamber at 200 to 300 degrees Celsius in a low oxygen environment, torrefaction removes moisture and volatile compounds, reducing weight and improving dimensional stability. This minimizes warping and enhances resistance to humidity changes, ensuring a straighter, more durable shaft. The process also darkens the wood, giving it a rich, premium aesthetic. For pool cues, torrified wood offers improved balance, reduced deflection, and a smoother finish, making it ideal for precision-crafted shafts that elevate playability and longevity.
And so what I'm doing is I'm building this box right now that's going to be able to torrify wood. I already have multiple different species of shafts that I've been working with for a couple of years now. And I'm going to torrify some of them and measure the results. I'm also, the best wood that I've run across from all the shaft species that I've tested is black birch. And I am investing in a sawmill and I am beginning to cut and mill logs that my buddy Alpaca Luke is donating so that he has access to a friend with a bandsaw. And the ultimate goal is, I think black birch is going to be the absolute sweet spot, but I'm going to test other wood too, and the end result is going to be my absolute best run at making something with a discernible edge, a measurable edge, over keel wood, over hard maple that's been torrefied. One of the first run of the torrefied shafts is going to be black birch. The collar on it that I have up there on the picture has a red ring and a black ring on it, and that's a possibility. I don't know. I might use brass rings in there. I don't know what the end design is going to look like, but they are going to have burl rings on them, and they're going to have a dark reddish brown color to them, and they are going to shoot lights out. They are going to have a lifetime warranty against warping, which for a shaft is damn near unheard of, but I'm going to do it because I'm going to cut so much fucking wood that I'm going to have the absolute choice, and the best is going to end up being a character cues torrefied wood birch howdy shaft. And you got to get used to how that name is pronounced. It's birch howdy. Your opponent's like that, what's this? And your shaft says black birch howdy, I'm about to whip your ass, something like that. You just got to black birch howdy. So anyhow, these are going to be, the end result is going to be a market dominating shaft created in Hormtown, Redneck, Pennsylvania. So if you would like to support this endeavor, I appreciate you very much. Well, I appreciate you either way. You can support the endeavor by liking this video, by sharing this video, by watching all of the videos 6 times, by what else? Oh yeah, you can buy one of the first 30 shafts. As of now, I think there's 28 of them still available. I just announced this yesterday to my Facebook group, and as time goes by, I'm going to continue to do the updates, and I'm going to continue to document exactly how I'm going about building. Why dare small? Dare big, right? I want to build something that beats the best. That's it. I want to beat the best. And I think I have a lot of species that I can try out. I think black birch is the one that's going to do it. But I'd love to have your support. So thank you very much for watching my video, and God bless you.